Hey guys, just a couple things I wanted to make sure that you knew for this unit and for the rest of the school year. So this unit is due on the 19th of May, that is next Wednesday, and you will have a test that opens on Wednesday from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. You need to make sure that you make time to take that test in that window, and it will be a time test, 60 minutes. The folder that you will receive after that test, all that it will have in it would be a review for the final and then your final. Once I have the schedule for the finals, I will email that out to you. So you will just have like a review or two for the finals and then the final itself, and that is all. I will not accept any late homework past next Wednesday at midnight. Again, I will not accept any late homework past next Wednesday, May 19th at midnight. I will only accept late homework at this point for things from the unit that we are currently in. So if you turn that in even on Thursday at 8 a.m., I'm not going to accept it. So you need to make sure that you get it all done on Wednesday and turn it in on time. To prepare for the test, there are a couple sheets that we did not do in the supplemental packet, pages 13 and on. What I recommend you doing is as much or as little of this as you want. Like if you feel like you understand this unit completely, I would just do a couple problems here and there on each page. If you are struggling with this unit, I would do a lot more problems on these pages and then come to those review or those question and answer sessions on Fridays and Tuesdays from 10:30 till 11. Meet.google.com, code is geometry help, and ask any questions that you have over this. Do not, on next Wednesday, on the 19th, when you take the test, don't email me, inundate me with emails asking, how do I do this? How do I do this? That's what those question and answer sessions are for, so make sure you jump on those. So unit test next Wednesday, the 19th, then you'll have one or two reviews for the final, and then you will take the final, and then that is all for this class. And I will email you soon, hopefully, the schedule for the final, so when you're taking the final in this class, because we have not received that yet. All right, thanks guys.